Hey traders, this is Travis from 24FX Academy doing another Friday weekly end of week review. It's been a great journey at 24FX. I just want to say thank you to all our subscribers, all our students, and everybody in our community. I would like to also say thank you to my partner Paul. Um, it's just a beautiful experience that we have and a great community that we have. It's just it's weird. Like I remember when I first started trading, I had no one to talk to. I felt crazy, and now I can talk to a group of people from all walks of the planet, and we're all trying to grow together to become super successful and profitable traders. So I would like to say thank you, and I'm truly grateful. Today we're going to be talking about our weekly review on the market. We're going to get into some fundamentals. We're going to get into the COT report. And I apologize for all our viewers on YouTube that didn't get a COT report last week. I was doing a speech in New Jersey, talking to a lot of different people and other traders, and it's just mind-blowing to be able to be blessed to have these opportunities nowadays. But we are here now with some cool ways to actually see the report, that I've been actually using personally for the last 2 years. But I think it's time to share it with the community. There's no need to be stingy. So yeah, this is our timingchart.com, and it actually is a great tool. I use this with the CFTC commitment of traders data. So first, let's get into that. So right now we have the CD, which is Canadian dollar futures, and let's see what we had as data. So this is our current week's COT report, or commitment of traders. We have our non-commercial, our commercial, and our non-profitable positions, aka the retail traders. So let's see what we have here. Left to right, so some long positions, they increased by 4,000. Our short positions decreased by 2,000 on a non-commercial, and then on our commercial we have decreased by 7,000 our longs, and then on our shorts we actually increase, so making a total right here, okay, negative 4,000 longs and negative 3,000 shorts. All right, so let's see how that looks on our chart. It's a squeeze, and with this squeeze, what happens here, if we're looking at this green bar, market goes down, and as this goes up, the market goes up. So looks like we may start getting some bullish sentiment on the CAD, which that is positive. If we look at our charts on US dollar CAD, this can be a positive move for the US dollar CAD, or for the Canadians. So USD CAD. In this video, we're going to do a little different. We don't blend everything. I think it's time for everyone to just get the bigger picture. So let's look at this on a weekly. We're getting really close to a supply zone. We're going to be touching the top of our cloud. And if we look at US dollar CAD, the CAD as a whole, it actually lost. It was one of the biggest losers for this week, losing from New Zealand dollar CAD, Aussie dollar, Great British Pound, US dollar, CAD, lost from the Switzerland, and the Euro. And if we look at our strength index over here, it's at the bottom, but it's not truly at the bottom. It's third on our list, and it creeped up slightly. So with that being said, I definitely would be saying it's time to look for positions. But if we're looking at this on our charts, I want to get into the zone. I want to get a little closer to up here. So with that being said, let's go on a daily. Bring this up. We need buyers to come in, and then we can short this. That's the game plan. Let's get to this whole number, or technically half number here. So let's use this tool, the position tool, and we'll get here. Make this a whole number, or technically a halfway point. Do that. Cool. And then we want to say the highest it can go, it's in this zone. Come on, let me edit it. There we go. And then we're gonna take this all the way down. Alright, let's take a look at this. To this level right here. Right in its zone. Yeah, and then if looking at the end of the cloud, squeezing up. So yeah, this is the position that we want to get in. But you know what? I'm not really confident about that. I would want to put it right here because we got some orders here probably sitting here. Probably got some orders sitting here. So yeah, we're waiting for the retest and to paint a better picture of this. Sunday's open. We'll get it in this zone. Reach here. May have a little slight correction. Honestly, Sunday into Monday, we're gonna have this. This move here. Then we'll get into the shorts. As soon as we break this area, I'm shorting. I'm taking it, and I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold until we keep getting that momentum. But like I said, I'm basing my decision off of the COT report, knowing that hey, these positions are definitely coming in. Like they're done shorting. They're done. The squeeze is here. We're gonna have this breakout. All we have to do is break out this 21 moving average, and that's gonna be my full confirmation. So definitely gonna be keeping an eye out. And like I said, we're in a zone here. Back to the weekly. Pretty close to a major supply zone. So we're gonna accumulate a lot of buy orders, so then we can short. It's time. It's just time. You know. It's not that hard. So let's move forward. See what else we got here. So next on the list, we have, sorry about that guys, let me close this window. Next on our list is the Switzerland franc. So let's see what we have here. Boy, I can't wait to go to Switzerland. It's like definitely on my bucket list. Same picture, you know. The only thing is it rejected this area of the 21 moving average, but we're slightly trading this wedge here. And we're truly oversold. We're so oversold. It's not even funny. Let's get a draw too. We're making higher highs on this weekly base. So with that being said, we're accumulating a lot of shorts. So then we can push up and bring some bulls in the market, man. Same picture happened here, right? In this zone. Accumulated shorts. Pushed up. You know? And we don't need anything crazy. We just need that push. And this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks. I'll take that. I'll take 10 weeks of that. So we need to break this 21 moving average. Get some more bulls in the market. And we're good. So let's look at the COT report. Let's see what they're saying. So, non-commercial, commercial, retail traders. All right. increased by 2,000, increased. That's what we're looking for. These shorts, it's like reverse. So when you see more shorts, that means people are gonna end up buying. What do we have here? Increase in longs, decrease in shorts. So right now we're mixed. Cool. 2,000, 2,000. It's a little bit more longs, but hey, this is better. It's getting even Steven. So like I said, keep an eye out. Let's look at the charts. Let's put it in. US dollar, Switzerland franc. And the thing is, even looking at our strength index, I've been talking about this. This is the power moves that we've been waiting for. It's slowly creeping up. If you watch any of our past Friday videos on the COT report, I've been saying this since it's been at the bottom of all the strength index. Hey, it's coming. So, as they say in Game of Thrones, winter is coming. Well, hey, the bulls are coming. Now, looking at this chart, most traders are like, oh, yeah, I'm still going to be long. Look, worst case scenario, we touch this supply zone, we kiss it, we straight down. We're going to just reject all these orders because there's not enough volume here anyway. It's going to break right through here, get into this area. So I'm definitely going to be shorting this. Can't wait. Probably on Tuesday, Wednesday. Nice short positions. Like I said, same picture. We're going to wait for Monday. So Sunday open and Monday. Let the market keep accumulating orders. So all these buy orders will turn into shorts. And I'll short it out. I'm just waiting. Because I just know it. Even though, yeah, we are above the Ichimoku cloud. I understand that. Rules are rules. I get that. Rules are rules. But on a daily, we have a different picture. This Ichimoku cloud is thin. It's not strong. So I'll just wait it out. I'm just gonna wait it out. And I may scalp. I'll scalp it. Guys, I apologize. I keep hitting this button. I'll scalp it while it's going up because it's still bulls in the market. So I'll ride it out. But I know my bigger game plan, I'm going to short this. And I can't wait. I cannot wait. Yeah, so let's talk about the Switzerland franc on a fundamental. Scroll down to some of my notes that I have here. So, who did Switzerland franc beat this week? Let's see what we have here. Positive week for them, They beat the Japanese yen, which is no surprise, like I said. Looking at the index. So, the Japanese yen is the weakest currency right now. It's been overbought. So, it's no surprise. I don't give props to bullies. But anyway, beat the euro, which is a good sign. And it beat the CAD. Another good side. So if we can actually beat, for the Switzerland franc, if we can beat either the Aussie by a good amount, that's going to be that catalyst that we're going to need to push more money into the orders for the US dollar Switzerland franc trades, because this is a safe haven. For fundamental news, there weren't anything major that happened for Switzerland. Yeah, it's been real quiet over there. So it's just everything's technical. And just watching the rest of the other currency pairs and understanding how money really moves, how bankers and investors are moving their money regarding currencies. Because you have to think, what is the Forex market? Behind the scenes, you have corporations moving their money. They have employees. This farmers, it's goods, it's services. So you got to look at the whole melting pot of the economy to understand why the money has to move a certain way. It's no tricks, it's no magic. If anything, if you think about it as magic, like if there's a magician, they're showing you one thing on television, but the real magic's in the other hand. So, yeah. So Switzerland franc, same thing. I'm gonna be waiting, definitely gonna be waiting for this to break. we rejected this conversion line. So like I said, it's a lot of bulls still in here. Wait till we get into the zone. So like I said, I'll buy into this, scalp it. I'm not gonna buy it very strong, and the reason why I'm gonna be scalping because to protect my risk. As long as if I'm scalping, I won't be in big pips. I won't be holding bigger pip positions, so I can go for 6 pips profit, 6 pips risk, and then I'll just ride out these moves or impulses of bull momentum until we get into the zone. And then when we get into the zone, I'll wait for my confirmation so I can start shorting this market. So let's get back into the report. And we got British pound. You know what? Let's do something a little different. Let's talk about the British pound. Let's get that up. Let's see. Pound. All right. So, what a shock. Let's look at this story here. British pound was very strong for the past, I would say, 3 months. Just like the Japanese yen. Now slowly it is losing its momentum, and the story is right here, man. I can't move this any further to the left, but we have this downward trend, and then this is technically, even though we're at a low, these are highs, and as long as we can break this 21 moving average, we're good. And let's see what the report says. So long positions decreased, so that means, hey, we can start getting some buy positions in here. Yeah, look at this total, -8. I'm shorting. I'm definitely gonna be shorting Great British Pound. That's gonna be a lot of pips. And if we look at the Great British Pound, it was a winner actually this week, and the only reason why, because it needed to accumulate buy pressure. If you're gonna be selling, you need to get a lot of buyers, so then you can sell. It's like supply and demand. Hence why we have these charts. I don't really trade Great British Pound much, but I've been scalping it this week since I've been getting up at 4 a.m. Me and Paul been doing a lot of scalping, making great profits on a new system that Paul has created. So I've been watching Great British Pound JPY, and we'll take a look at that on here. As you can see, been taking some trades on here, been analyzing it, and let's get on a weekly. So look here, we're below the cloud. We have monthly levels here, and we're close to a monthly level here. So it's trying to accumulate orders for shorts. Giant body here. Love it. So my goal, we can break out of this monthly level. I'm shorting this strongly, taking it all the way down. Break over this pivot area. I'll short this and keep going until we get to this S1 level. It's real simple. There's no guessing. There's a plan because of these parameters. I keep preaching this and teaching this and saying it over and over. Have a trading system and you will not fail. Trust in your trading system and wait for confirmation. That's what trading is about. It's not all about the cars and the trips. Yeah, that's nice and it's rewarding, But at the end of the day, as a trader, this is your job and you treat it like a business. So you have to wait for your system. So definitely gonna be trading this. Also, we're in a downtrend. So as long as we get into this cloud here, and like I said, on the weekly, the biggest story, we rejected the cloud, creating this pin bar. It's hard to see it, but there we go. So we couldn't break past this monthly level. So this is a sign for me. Downtrend, same picture here. So, hey. I know what we have to do. We just gotta short the pound and watch. Next week we'll talk about this. You're gonna be like, wow, Travis, you got some good forecast. So let's move forward. JPY, and why are we gonna talk about it? Why not? Why not? So let's pull this up. JY. that load. Now, this is a different story. A lot of shorts here. And the strength index is a different story. You know, it was really positive up here. So I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Excuse me, I was about to yawn strongly. I'm gonna wait for confirmation to see if we have any bulls in the market for the Japanese yen. But let's see what we have here. So they increased on their longs, decreased and increased on their shorts, and the commercial decreased on their shorts and increased on their longs. So with that being said, probably maybe still shorting the Japanese yen. Yeah, I'm gonna be shorting Japanese yen a little longer. We don't have enough power here. Yeah, we'll probably keep going a little lower than this. This big body candle. It's a full body candle here, you know. So I don't see that this is going to go any lower. But for the week, we may have some mix. We may have some strength. JPY may beat out New Zealand dollar and Aussie dollar, and that money that the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar has been accumulating may go back into the Japanese yen. But I don't see this be in Great British Pound, Euro, US dollar. I don't see that happening. So regarding that, going back to the charts here, I'm gonna go to this one actually. DJPY. Go to the weekly. See it on the bigger time frame. Weekly. Pretty close to the supply zone. All right. So we'll accumulate some more orders here, and then we'll wait. We will wait. So I'm gonna scalp this throughout the week if I see any strong volume. But this Ichimoku cloud's thin. It makes me very nervous. Very nervous. And I'm gonna keep going long though. I'm gonna keep going long until we get into the zone. I see us pushing to the 115 area, actually touching it. Compared to the last two times we got into these areas, I actually see us actually coming up here. There's a lot of bullish momentum for the US dollar still compared to the Japanese yen, so definitely can trade that. And it's not that hard of a decision. Like, you know, I take my fundamental news and I tie it all together. And let's look at the Japanese yen fundamentally. Lost. The only thing that it beat was the CAD. You know, it beat the CAD out, but by only 11 pips for the whole week. So that doesn't show me enough strength. I think we still have some weakness. It's in the past week. This is the first week that was, you know, losing. So the past 3 weeks, or maybe even 4 last month, the Japanese yen has had so much strength. So because it's been accumulating so much strength, look at this. These are weeks. These are weeks, not days, not hours. These are weeks. Where's the... I think it's this one. I apologize, guys. I just want you guys to see, like, the time on this. If my tools will work. There we go. Alright. 16 bars. 16 weeks. 915 pips. You know, so I think, you know, they can hold off and keep this going, you know. And the weeks that it was strong on the index was all in here. So for the last month, it moved 302 pips, right? And we already grabbed that up. We already grabbed those moves. And this is just a correction on the bigger trend, you know. So I'm gonna keep riding this out until we get into the zone. It's just, that's what it is. Fundamentals and technicals just tying it in. So it's no guessing. So that's that. And if you want me to look at it on a daily, we rejected this area, pushed up, we're still above the 55, above the Ichimoku cloud. We can push up. I think if we broke over this whole number, I think if on Monday, Tuesday, we're above the 1400, I'll keep going up. Take 50 pips, call it a day. So that's that. And let's move forward. Last but not least, the euro. Ladies and gentlemen, the euro. So we have EC. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what I've been waiting for. Making higher highs. Accumulating orders of buy pressure. Let's see what we have here. Longs have decreased by 8,000. But then on the longs on this side, it increased by 8,000. Keeping us very mixed. But the shorts are there. So, I guess we're going to have to wait it out. This is going to be another tough week for the euro. You know, I'm going to wait it out. So, with that being said, sadly, I know you can hear the emotion in my voice. I really have a connection to the euro. See what we have here. Take a look on the weekly. Oh, this is the weekly. Cool. So, we're going to short it. There we go. I know last week I said, depending on how the week closes, my position, I'm a bear. We're going to be shorting this until we can get back down here. We got to accumulate more orders. It's that simple. So the euro, depending on how that backstreak news is for the month of November holds, maybe we'll get some more buy power. But right now, the sentiment shows right here. I know people are like, well, you're saying short. Well, what does that mean? It's reverse. You got to think in a reverse mind state on this. We're going to have to keep shorting the euro. So it is what it is. But let's see what it looked like for this week. Because it did have some strength. It really did accumulate some strength. But not by much. Beating euros right here, right next to the Japanese yen in this green color. It beat out the Japanese yen. Ooh, surprise. And it beat out the CAD. So, but they beat out the CAD by 53 pips for the week. And that's decent, but it's not that good. It lost to the US dollar by only 37 pips. So it's not a lot of movement there. And there's not a lot of fundamental news this week. Now let's talk about the coming weeks regarding fundamentals. We have Aussie Business Conference Monday at 7 p.m. So keep an eye on that. I will be alerting everyone in the community regarding these videos of news. Great British Pound, climate, unemployment rate. Cool. That's important. 5 a.m. Another one. And then the Russian. That's cool. I don't trade any rubies, but hey, if you do, that's cool. Nice exotic pair. Aussie, some more Aussie. So we're gonna get some Aussie strength. A lot of Aussie strength coming soon. Yeah. So this week, Denmark, Great British Pound, inflation rates. Cool. Definitely gonna be shorting. Great British Pound. So yeah, this is the upcoming week. Can't wait. So let's see what we have. Once again, thank you again for watching our 24FX Academy video. Keep liking, keep commenting, and keep giving us those subscriptions, guys. We thank you, we love you, and take care. Oh, and watch out for our webinar tomorrow, Saturday. Don't forget to join. Take care.